Hey everyone, in my last video I built this guy. As promised, I'm going to break this stuff down for you. So let's get started. I'm going to need my whiteboard for this. Here you have the Arduino chip. At its core, it has a small computer that runs some code. Now like most code, you can break it up into these three groups: input, decisions, and output. Let me give you an example of where you'd commonly see this. Let's say you have a program, such as a video game. Well, you've got to have a controller, right? When you press the jump button on the controller, you are generating input. This input is acknowledged by the program, and it takes it into consideration when making decisions. Notice I didn't simply say, the program makes your dude jump. What if you're already in the air? The jump button shouldn't make him jump then. But for this example, we'll say he is on the ground. The program is designed to give you, the player, feedback, or output of your dude jumping. This is done by sending signals to the TV depicting dude jumping. Getting back to the Arduino, it also has pins on it that are used for input and output. So it will receive input from some pins, make some decisions, then send output to other pins. The next major component of the starter kit is known as a shield. This plugs right into the Arduino's pins. It has some places in it where it can receive input from sensors, along with power outlets for stuff like motors. This chip seems to rely on input and output from the Arduino. These are both mounted onto the robot, where we can start hooking up stuff to it. For the input, we have these two optical sensors. I'm not entirely sure if they see color or not. My best guess is that they see in grayscale of one whole pixel. These sensors will send information back telling how dark of gray that pixel is. And for output, it has these two motors hooked up that turn the wheels. So as this robot chugs along, it is constantly in the know of what these two sensors are looking at. So when this sensor reports that it is looking at black, the code inside the Arduino makes the decision to stop powering this wheel, causing the robot to turn. Same is true for this sensor in conjunction with this wheel, causing it to turn the other way. As a result, the robot follows the line. Well, that wraps up this project. I haven't quite settled on what I'm going to be doing for my next project, but I'll definitely keep you in the know. I hope what I had to share was both helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you happen to have any insight of your own, please feel free to leave them in the comments as well. I'd love to hear what you guys think. So until next time, keep on tinkering.